Hey my fellow tech junkies and geeks, Boy Island Dread Tech here. As I mentioned in my previous review, I'm going to review a couple wireless devices, and today I'm going to review, y'all may know it if you're under a rock, you might not have heard of it, but it's a very popular wireless mouse by Razer called a Viper Ultimate, and this is the edition that comes with the little charging dock. And I've heard a lot of good things about this and saw a lot of really great reviews, like thousands of good reviews, so I decided, you know what? Since I'm going all wireless, why not try out something that got good reviews? And from what I've heard, the lighting effects are really good, like typical Razer stuff, and the battery life is also great. So let's open this bad boy. Oh, okay. At least this isn't child-proof like the headset I did earlier, so let's see here. Come on stick. There you go. All right. Oh, look how it opens, like a little door. As you can see, this is the Razer Viper Ultimate. See, look, this is one that comes with the charging dock, because they have one with just the mouse, and then they have this one that has the charging dock included. I don't know why they won't include the regular dock, because you need to charge your wireless peripheral, but teach his own. But very sleek, and looks like it's a matte white design. And as I said, my whole setup, as you can see, is white and gray, or white and silver, and this will also fit perfectly in it because it is also white and silver. As you can see, the silver accents. And yeah, let me see how heavy it is, because you know some mice are very weighty. Oh, it's very sleek, and it looks like it's ambidextrous, so if you're a left or right-hander, it doesn't matter. And yeah, it's nice. I like matte white over glossy white, because glossy white you see the fingerprints too easily, and they're a pain to wipe off fingerprints on glossy items. So this is nice. As you can see, it has like 2 buttons on that side, 2 buttons on this side. The logo, nice scroll wheel, nice to the touch. I like the click noise and the click feel. Okay, so this is the mouse itself. Is not a very big mouse. Fits in my hand really charge dock. Just from what they show in the diagrams, you just mount the mouse like this diagonally, like where the pins are, and it charges the battery life, etc. And this is the USB part that connects the cable, the charge dock to the computer, because you have to have a power source, obviously, to charge wireless stuff. So that's good that they include that and not extra or additional. So it's nice. It's also nice matte white touch and sleek as usual, as per Razer mice. Cable. As you can see, this is the cable include, and one thing I like about their Razer products, a lot of other good products that how to make products are good quality products. They always include braided stuff. They always braid their cables, and braided cables are way easier and they get less kinkage, so to speak. And kinking, in case you didn't know, is when your cable gets a lot of knots in it, and then it's a pain in the butt to undo and cable management because it's all crumpled up because it wasn't braided. Braided have a higher resistance to regular cables because they're individually sleeved and they kind of contour to the bends and stuff much better than regular rubberized cables. So you saw the USB I saw earlier in the dock, and this is the part that goes in here. As you can see, the green little port there. This plugs into here, and then this part goes to the mouse. Not to the mouse, to the computer, and then it charges the mouse wirelessly. And if you do want, however, do a wired charging on a regular another USB source, you can also use a cable without the dock, and then you connect this part, the micro USB, to the mouse itself if you don't want to use the dock to charge it. But I don't know why you want to use a wireless charging dock if you have a wireless peripheral. It doesn't make any sense. But it's good that, again, like I said, it's good to have options. Doesn't mean you have to do it, but it's good to have options. That shows care for the product. So besides that, let's go, and I'm gonna go and install the drivers and stuff with the Razer Synapse and all the other stuff that helps the mouse get powered. Be back in a sec. Hey, we're back again with your boy Island Dread Tech. Out with the old. Remember last time we said we switched to the Razer Viper Ultimate Wireless. So my old mice was the very first Razer Basilisk. I love this to death, and so did my wife. Because it fit really well to the hand, but it had some weight to it. So now we're out with the old, and now your boy's wireless. And I adjusted my color scheme or whatever already, and it's smooth as heck. And I have no regrets. As per the headset I did previously, I'm going to also do a 1 week part 2 of this 1 week review and see how it holds up to all the other Razer mics I had in the past, which I never really had issues with. I really used them to death, so to speak. But yeah, and the blue looks really beautiful on this white and gray accent, as you can see. Hope you can see it on the camera. And I just installed the drivers and stuff. Had to update Synapse in typical Synapse fashion. It's always got to update. And then I also configured the lighting, the style, the decoration, or whatever you want to call it, in the Chroma Studio to sync up with my keyboard, which is also Razer, and just so everything will be in tandem. So it was a hard-to setup. I have to say I was skeptical and scared of finally making a leap to wireless stuff, but as I said earlier, I'll have to see how I feel. It feels right now kind of weird being always wired, and now I got wireless with no connectivity. But I'll see how it plays out, and I hope y'all enjoy this unboxing and intro review of the Razer Ultimate Viper Ultimate. And I will do a day in the life 1 review. That's how I will do for my headset that I did previously. And I look forward to see y'all next time, my fellow tech junkies. And until next time, see you soon.